Hi, this is Rachel. So, my husband Rob's doing one of these 21-day lose weight things. So basically, it's a diet and exercise regime, and I wanted to film this as opposed to doing a live video so he would have access to this for his YouTube channel. So I'll put it on my YouTube as well. So for the next dish of our meal prep, I'm going to do lots of veggies. So I'm going to make chicken breasts to go with this as well, but I think I'm going to have enough veggies alone that I'm going to have to do the chicken separately, which is fine because I have a micro pro grill, so I can grill the chicken. So for the veggie portion, I'm going to do up a little stir fry. For leafy greens, which are really good and filling and low in calories, and all leafy greens are really good for managing sugars, especially for diabetics. I got some bok choy, and then I'm going to add some sprouts. It's going to be like a stir fry, a veggie stir fry. Next, I cut up about 3 smallish carrots, 1 red bell pepper, and a half a pack of mushrooms. Oh yeah, this is gonna be full. I got here broccoli. I know Rob loves broccoli. Maybe like half the bag, so I can use half the bag for something different. Maybe break these up into smaller pieces so they're more diffuse. I would have cut that up earlier if I knew that was going to happen. Maybe I'll throw some of this. How many chicken breasts? 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 3. Throw some of the asparagus on top, but I'm going to save the rest of it for another meal I have planned. Oh yeah, I was going to throw some nuts on it, but I wanted to show off the power. This is so nice. But so is a blender. So. Yeah, that was whole almonds, sorry. Almonds. And the Power Chef blade just cuts them right up. We actually have a smaller one that's closer to the size of a cup or something. I don't know how big it is. But it's just a wee little one, probably better for nuts and stuff. But mine's over at the house because I kind of give it to my mom because I love the Power Chef. There you go. Whole almonds, and they're pretty much powder, so Rob doesn't complain about them. little bit of water in with that so that it's kind of steamy. Maybe some onion powder would be good. Onion powder is always good on like everything. If I had garlic salt or garlic powder, that would probably be really good on a stir fry. I have it somewhere, but my spice shelf is a little out of control. Oh, that's ginger. Ginger makes good on this. Not much though. That is one strong thing. A little cumin maybe? I don't know. Stir fry. Go a little Mexican. Onion salt. Onion salt. Not a lot. Mine's all clumped up. I'm not putting that much on. Asian stir fry. And that bad boy is ready for the microwave. Right. That guy's ready there. I just put it in for 15. I pulled it out at about 5 minutes left and give it a stir. Make sure you lift the lid away from you because that steam's coming out. If you flip this guy over, put it face down, you can stack that right on top so it's kind of like the, you know, like the little cloth you put under it, and it allows it for quicker cooling. So hopefully you'll like it. This is the mushrooms, peppers, carrots, asparagus, broccoli, sprouts, and the nuts, and some spices. That's going to be hot. Something smaller. So for my chicken, I got you tilted all at the wrong angle, don't I? I made a big mess in here while we were gone. So yeah, for my chicken, I actually, you don't need oil to put in the micro pro grill, but I have this Thai stuff I've never used before, and I thought it would be so good with the stir fry I made up in the stack cooker. So I did a mix of the juices from that stir fry and the Thai-inspired olive oil. So that's the juices from the stir fry and the Thai-inspired olive oil. And I ended up eating a bunch of veg. So 3 chicken breasts going in the micro pro grill. I have to go wash my hands. And I was thinking I wanted something a little spicy to go on it, but not really spicy. Inspired. Yeah, sure.
I can't jump. I'm stuck on the plane. My name is Beverly Hills. I gotta record a video of this.
And then you want to make sure you put the lid on. It goes two different ways, and you want to make sure it goes flat on the chicken breasts. I'm just going to put that in for 5 minutes and flip it because I tend to find that the bottom side of the Micro Pro grill tends to get a little hotter than the top side, so I want an even grill, so I'm going to flip it. I'm getting tired. I almost forgot about you guys. I just opened the microwave. We're only at the halfway point. Ooh, they're white! It's working. I have nowhere to put anything. I'm getting tired. I put them in for 5 more minutes. Okay, chicken. What's sizzling? Sizzling, sizzling, sizzling. I think all the liquid in it is probably making it not as crispy as usual. Ooh, it's crispy on the bottom too.
Got him.